Have you ever seen a guy on YouTube flexing Lamborghinis selling your secret formula to making money online? Well, you might be looking at a fake guru. Today, we expose the dark truth behind online scammers who sell you a dream but deliver nothing. So, like and subscribe the video and let me know which is your favorite scammer on YouTube, and we can dive in right into the video. There are so-called mentors who claim they can make you rich overnight. But the reality, most of them make their money selling you the dream, not actually doing business. So let's break it down. Part 1. The business model of fake gurus. The first step is the fake guru playbook, selling the lifestyle. वो अपनी luxury cars rent out करते हैं, book का photo shoot in a penthouse, ठीक है, and start calling themselves a self-made millionaire. Oh my god. Imagine, man. The formula is simple: flesh wealth to get your attention, sell a course promising financial freedom, charge $500 to $5,000 per course, and repeat. They don't make money from business, they make money by selling you courses on how to make money. ठीक है, cause everyone wants to be overnight rich. ठीक है, वो लोग Airbnbs वगैरह, ठीक है, how they fake their lifestyle. Let me tell you, that's the part 2. Most of these guys don't even own a single car. बाकी ये जो आती है क्या कहते हैं, रेंटा कार वगैरह से, अब पेंट हाउस इन दुबई, ये एयरबीएनबी में सब कुछ मिल जाता है. एंड द वॉच द फ्लेक्स, ये सब कुछ आप रेंट कर सकते हो. कॉमन ट्रिक्स दे यूज: रेंटिंग एक्सोटिक कार्स फॉर अ फ्यू आवर्स, एग्जाम्पल $500 a day वगैरह, ठीक है. In Dubai, you can get any car for like even a BMW M4 competition is $250 per day. Secondly, Airbnb for a luxury house to no, not their home, man. Then again फिर वो करते हैं hire जो नकली students होते हैं to say that they made a fucking $1,000 and now they have retired their whole family वगैरह, ठीक है. They create an illusion of success so you believe they have the secret formula. देखो भाई, everything we see is not the truth, but in reality their only skill is marketing, जो भी अब depreciate हो जाएगी इस वीडियो के बाद. If you follow the advice of mine after this video, you ain't falling for those bullshit scams, okay? Part 3. Why people keep falling for it. भाई देखो, so why do people still fall for this scam? Everyone wants overnight wealth. कोई भी over the time मैंने नहीं करना चाहता. People want quick money. No one wants to grind for years, क्योंकि पैसा ऐसे नहीं बनता है. उसके लिए आपको grind करना पड़ता है for a long time. You have to be consistent for everything. ठीक है, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है कि like do you think Elon Musk had this much wealth overnight, or he inherited it from his family? Mukesh Ambani, Bill Gates, Jeffrey Bezos, anyone, ठीक है, they create FOMO, fear of missing out. Oh man, you know they always say that only 10 spots left and this much left. और ये पता है कभी भी ऐसे numbers नहीं use करेंगे like $2,000, $500. Not like this. They will do $499. ये एक साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रिक है जिसमें आप क्या करते हो, आपको लगता है ओ दैट्स 400 नॉट 500, बिकॉज ज़्यादातर लोग उसको अपर बाउंड पे राउंड ऑफ नहीं करते. फिर थर्ड थिंग, सोशल प्रूफ. फेक हर चीज, फेक टेस्टिमोनियल्स, दे मेक इट लुक सो रियल मैन. एवरीवन फॉल्स फॉर इट. It's a psychological warfare. They use every trick in the book to make you feel like you need this course to succeed. Part 4. How to spot a fake guru. 5 warning signs of a fake guru. They flex too much. Real wealthy people don't show off anything. कभी देखा है कोई आके आपको क्या कहते हैं, आपका इलॉन मस्क आपको दिखाए, oh my god, I have this much money, I can buy this. Nah man, who does? No one wants them to show their wealth वगैरह, ठीक है, किसी को भी नहीं चाहिए ऐसा करना, ठीक है. फेक अर्जेंसी, स्पॉट्स क्लोजिंग सून, दिस एंड दैट, ठीक है. फिर दे नेवर शो प्रूफ ऑफ रियल इनकम फ्रॉम देयर बिजनेसेस और एनीथिंग, नेवर शो देयर बिजनेसेस व्हाट दे डू वगैरह, और कोई रियल जवाब नहीं होते फ्रॉम रियल क्लाइंट्स वगैरह, ठीक है. एंड द लास्ट थिंग, दे आर वेरी वेरी कंजर्वेटिव. लाइक एक आपको दिमाग में ऐसी चीज़ें क्रिएट कर देंगे, इतनी चीज़ें क्रिएट कर देंगे. अब देखो, इफ एवरीवन बिकम्स रिच, ठीक है, तो आपके बिलो लेवल जॉब्स कौन करेगा? आपको ऐसे थॉट्स दे देते हैं दिमाग में, और if they can't prove they made money before selling courses, they are probably a scam. ठीक है. Part 5. Should you ever buy the courses? Not all courses are scam, but you need to do some research first. How to find legitimate courses. Look for real business results, not just flexing. Check reviews outside their website, Reddit, Trustpilot. These are good apps. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. ठीक है. Uh, if I would suggest you to buy the courses if you really want to make, you just want the information to be in one part, एक जगह पे आपको मिले, scattered form में नहीं जो आपको online मिलती है. ठीक है. So I would say invest in skills, not dreams sold by fake gurus. The only real way to get rich, work smart and play the long game. Short run में कोई भी billionaire नहीं बनता. सही है. For example, Warren Buffett, he's investing since he was 5. At this time, I believe he's 70 plus and still investing. That's the long run game. So for the outro, so next time you see someone flexing a Lamborghini and selling you a course, think twice. What do you think about these fake gurus? Drop a comment and let's expose the truth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real money making strategies. Bye bye, I'm signing off. We'll meet you in the next video.